Got a sweet tooth but trying to watch that weight? Stay watching. I think I have something that you may be interested in. Hey guys, this is Donna with The Best Life and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button to be notified on new videos. Smooches. Alright guys, so if you're like myself, as you can see, I'm getting there. So I'm trying to watch my weight. I love my sweets, I love my desserts, but you know, I'm still trying to keep that portion control under control. So I went to the store and I purchased this Duncan Hines perfect size for one brownie. And in today's video, I will be reviewing this and I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna demonstrate to you how simple it is to make, how fast and simple it is to make, and how delicious it really is. So let's get started. I have my little bowl over here. Oh, by the way, as I'm taking this out, it comes 4 in a pack, so not bad at all, huh? You get 4 of these little cup pouches in a pack, and one pouch is actually 340 calories, 12 grams of fat. So I'm not going to eat this all by myself. I will share this with my little honey bunnies. The instruction says to go ahead and empty the entire pouch. And it tells me to go ahead and I can add 2 tablespoons of water or milk, but I'm gonna go with the water. So let's go ahead and put some water inside here. I'm not gonna measure this thing out either. Mix it up into a little batter. But I wanna mix this really nice. All right. And here's how the texture looks. I want to make it nice and smooth. So let's keep on at this. From here it tells you to go ahead and you can microwave on high for 55 seconds. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and put this bad boy in the microwave for, as the directions stated, 55 seconds. I'll be back. And I microwaved this at 55 seconds and I allowed it for 2 minutes to cool down. Look at that texture inside there. It actually looks like it really looks good. And let me tell you guys, it smells really delicious right now. You can't tell that this is just one little packet of brownie. It smells like I baked a whole pan filled with brownies inside here. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, like I said, this little thing is, each pouch is 340 calories and 12 grams of fat. I have a sweet tooth. I just want a little something. I don't want to have the whole thing. What I'm gonna do is scoop a little bit up. Look at the texture. Look at that. And there's still a lot more inside the packet, inside this bowl right now. You see that? And I'm just going to give myself a little brownie treat. Taste a little bit first. Nice and soft and fluffy. Very good, guys. Now, to top this bad boy off, I'm gonna put a scoop of ice cream inside this thing. Just a little scoop. Just a little something. Nothing like chocolate brown. Well, nothing like brownie with a dollop of ice cream. Vanilla ice cream, huh? Nice and warm and It's just, the brownie is so warm and the ice cream is so cold that it's perfect. Perfecto. It's really good. You know what? Baby thinks it's really good right now too. We got a lot of movement going on here. All right, guys, this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed my Duncan Hines brownie, you know, small individual size review for today. I'm hoping you enjoyed it. And I'm hoping that if you are not already subscribed to this channel, that you'll go ahead and subscribe. And remember, guys, life is what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Mwah. Smooches until next time.